Hello, my name is Eric Rudolph, and I'm an experienced bankruptcy attorney here to help you better understand the law. Student loans can follow you for a long time after graduation and be difficult to manage when you take on other debt. Generally speaking, you cannot get rid of student loan debts in bankruptcy. This is considered a non-dischargeable debt and remains after bankruptcy and must be paid.
However, there is one exception you should know about. Some student loans may be considered an undue hardship and can be discharged and eliminated in a Chapter 7 bankruptcy if the loan payments put an extreme burden on you or your family.
How do you show undue hardship to the bankruptcy court? The first step in qualifying for the undue hardship exception is to file a separate motion with the court and then meet with the judge to explain your hardship.
You have to show 3 things to prove undue hardship. 1, that in your current situation you can't maintain a minimum standard of living and repay your loans. 2, your bad financial situation is likely to continue. And 3, you made an honest effort to pay off the loan.
It can be very difficult to show undue hardship unless you're physically unable to work and your situation is not likely to change in the future. But if you think you might qualify for the undue hardship exception, talk to a bankruptcy attorney about having your student loan debt eliminated.
For more information on eliminating your student loan debt and other debts that are discharged when you file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, visit my website or contact below.